the British had the habit of eating only breakfast and dinner. The seventh Duchess of Bedford, Anna, who was a close friend of Queen Victoria at the time,
felt a strong sense of hunger every day. In the late afternoon, it made it difficult to eat for dinner. To solve this discomfort, the Duchess asked for something late.
A snack to save the hungry when waiting for dinner, and so she asked a waiter to serve tea and sweets just before 5 a.m. In 1900, the tradition of 5 o'clock tea became a rare social event, so much so that women adhered to in an elegant and sophisticated way.
Later, the afternoon tea expanded into all classes, giving rise to numerous shops and tea rooms. But let's talk. Today, we will teach you how to make a perfect cup of tea. First, boil some water. You must use fresh water for the perfect cup of tea. Warm the teapot with some hot water and then add the tea leaves. You mustn't use tea bags for the perfect cup of tea. Add 1 teaspoonful of the leaves for each person and then 1 extra. Add the boiling water to the teapot. Then you must wait for 3 minutes before you pour the tea. You mustn't drink the tea immediately. Wait 3 to 5 minutes and then you have the perfect cup of tea. You can add some milk and sugar. But let's talk about English tea today.
What percent of the British population drink tea every day?
The 66th of the British population drink tea every day.
How many cups of tea does one person drink in a day?
One person drink in a day 3 to 4 cups of tea.
How much tea does one person drink in a year?
One person drink 1280 cups of tea in a year.
What percent of the British people put milk in their tea?
The 98% of the British people put milk in their tea.
What percent of British people put sugar in their tea?
The 30% of the British people put sugar in their tea.
How many different varieties of tea are
There.
There are 1500 varieties of tea.